How to tell if someone read a text message on Android. Hi everybody. If you're wondering if someone has actually read your message on Android, the answer depends on what application you are using because normal SMS and chat apps work very differently. So if you're using the basic messaging application, for example, open up the messaging application and open up one of a conversation, you might be able to see the message being sent or delivered, but red only appears if the both phones support RCS or red receives are on for that application. That is one of the method. So you can just go and look out if that option is available. If not, there are applications like WhatsApp or Messenger. So all we gotta do is open those applications. And when we open it up and try to view up a message, so for example, you can open up your chat. So go ahead and send up a chat, for example. And when it's sent, it should be a send. It should show us an option called send or something like that. Blue ticks or green ticks, or in Messenger, red small icon changes when seen. That is one of the probably easiest method we can follow up if you wanna view, if you wanna know the other person has viewed your message or not. And if your red receipts are off, you cannot see the dates. Airplane mode or no internet connection also delays the status. So SMS alone does not support reliable read tracking. But usually this is how you should be able to view it up. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.